So since I came out last night as a non-binary, gender-fluid, dragonborn Khajiit, I've been getting a lot of comments on my Twitter, on my YouTube, some messages about people coming out as attack helicopters. And I just wanted to say, you can't be an attack helicopter. Because you don't have the woo thing and you can't shoot missiles out of you. Attack helicopter is not a real gender. But me, personally, I know in my heart and my soul that I am a non-binary, gender-fluid, dragonborn Khajiit.
Boy, if you don't get—
I've known this since I was a child, and ever since I played Skyrim, I knew that I was meant to be a Khajiit.